So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Oh, look at what it is! It's an excavator! Yeah! Are you ready to learn about excavators with me? Yeah! Let's go! Excavators are so spectacular! Let's look at the parts of the excavator. Come here. Let's start with the cab. This, inside here, is where the operator of the excavator sits. Look inside. Wow, there's a lot of controls in there. Ooh, that looks fun. Okay, let's close the door. Oh, whoa, look. Yeah, these are the tracks of the excavator. Wow, there's no wheels and tires on an excavator. There are only these tracks. And it allows for it to go over rocks and mud and big piles of dirt and not even get stuck, like this. See, I didn't even get stuck. Woo, and look back here. This is the engine compartment. This is where the excavator gets all of its power from. Huh, look. Wow. There's more engine components on the other side and the top, but there's a bunch of radiators, coolant, and all that fun stuff in here. I almost forgot my favorite part, the bucket. Let's go. Whoa! Look at the bucket! This excavator bucket is really big! It can grab and scoop a bunch of dirt out of the earth. And this part right here, the clamper, yeah, it's called the thumb. Whoa! And look at all of this. Wow! This is the arm of the excavator. It's really tall. And that part, that is the boom of the excavator. The arm and the boom and the bucket. And how all of this gets powered are these hydraulic cylinders. Wow! They push fluid up so then everything can move. Whoa! It's like I'm an excavator. That was so much fun learning the parts of an excavator. Now it's time to operate the excavator. Let's go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. First things first. Safety first. Yeah. Yeah. Look, I got my safety vest on And my hard hat. See these joysticks? These are what operate the arm and the boom and the bucket. See? Oh, and this one makes it swivel. Watch this. Whoa! 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 This is so much fun. Whee! Okay, and then I'll push it the other way. Now we're going to swivel around this way. Whoa! 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 Whee! Okay, here we go. All right, enough swiveling. Now it's time to dig. Pull the joysticks. Yeah! Whoa! Look at how big this scoop is! Yeah! Okay, now let's dump out the scoop. Whoa! That was a big scoop. We're on a little joyride in the excavator. We're just driving the excavator to find a new spot to dig in. Look at what it is! It's a stump! I wonder what's underneath the stump. This is where the stump used to be. I wonder what's underneath the stump. Looks like a bunch of dirt. A lot of dirt. And look, a giant rock. What else? Look, it's a boombox. Boomboxes play music. I wonder what song is in here.
Excavator.
It's the excavator song!
Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator. I've got a great big arm and a great big boom. If I start digging now, I'll be done real soon. I'm a dirt separator. I'm an excavator. Got a big old bucket and I scoop all the time, digging holes in the ground, wonder what I'll find. I'm an earth investigator, I'm an excavator. Oh, can't you see that I don't have feet?
No feet? How do you get around?
I roll on tracks to get to where I need to be. I'm an excavator, excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator.
Hey, it's time to act like an excavator. I'll teach you. All you gotta do is bring up your arm, like it's the arm and the boom in the bucket, and start to scoop. That's fun!
We've got a place where workers sit, it's called a cab, where they control the bucket to scoop and grab. I'm a hole regulator, I'm an excavator. Oh, can't you see that I work all day?
Do you ever sleep?
No time for sleep, no time for play. I'm an excavator, excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator, excavator, excavator.
That was so much fun learning about the marvelous machine of an excavator with you. Bye! Woo! Yeah! Woohoo! Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you see what's behind me? Yeah, these are yellow bicycles. And today, I'm in Tenino, Washington, and we are gonna use these yellow bicycles to explore the town. Let's go! Whoa! Whee! All right, before I ride this bicycle, I should probably wear my helmet. Safety first. Whoop. Here we go. All right, let's explore this sweet town. Whoa! Hey! How about we learn the parts of the bicycle? All right, as you know, I'm wearing a helmet. That's the first part of the bicycle. Well, it's not part of the bicycle, but if you're gonna ride a bicycle, you need a helmet. And these are the handlebars, right here. Handlebars. See? This is what you hang on to while you're riding and you steer, just like a steering wheel in a car. Whee! Whee! And then the yellow part is the frame. That is what holds all the parts of the bicycle together. This is the seat. This is where you sit down on the bicycle. And this seat is really soft and padded. Makes it really comfortable. And then we have 2 wheels and tires. And then down here, these are the pedals. When you turn these, then the back wheel turns around. Watch. See it spin? Whoa! And the brakes on this actually are the pedals too. Ready? Watch. See, when you go forward this way with the pedals, yeah, counterclockwise if you're looking that way, but then clockwise if you're looking this way. So if you go forward, pedaling forward, the bike will go forward. But if you pedal backward this way, then the bike will stop. Some bikes have brakes at the handlebars right up here, but not this one. And look, right here, you can mount stuff. This is a little platform for groceries, or pizza, or vegetables, or I don't know. All right, well, I should probably get my helmet back on, so then we can continue to explore. Oh, what a cool little town this is. All right, here we go. Whoa! Do you see how I'm riding this bike on grass? It's actually made for sidewalks and roads and things that are really smooth. Yeah, this is a street bike. But they do make other kind of bikes, like mountain bikes. Whoa! Whoa! That's a lot better for going over rough terrain like this. Whee! Whoa! All right. This is the quarry pool. Hey, let me show you what it's like in here. Wow, this used to be a giant hill that came out to here. But then people way in the past dug it out, and it's about 100 feet. That's about 33 meters deep. Yeah, so you cannot touch the bottom. Whoa, whoa. You can actually swim in this place. Wow, and a waterfall over there. This definitely looks like a fun place to swim. Whoa! 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 I think my bike is broken. Whoa. Oh, hey! Perfect! This town has a bike stand with a bunch of tools on it. All right, first thing we need to do is put the bike right up here. Oh, perfect. Whoa! Look at it! Ring! It looks like it's doing a wheelie! Ring, ring! All right, enough of playing. We need to get to work so we can fix it. Check this out. Looks like we have some Allen wrenches. Oh! And then we have a flathead screwdriver. We have a Phillips or standard screwdriver. We even have a wrench. And there's so many tools. But I think the problem is the tire is flat. So let's take this off. And this is how you fill up the tire. Put it right here. And then you can see this is how you pump it up. Perfect. I think now it's ready to go. Woohoo! Hey, I think this is the perfect time for the tool song.
When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things. The wrench tightens pipes going clang, clang. A hammer hits a nail going bang, bang, bang. A drill is making holes going zzz, zzz. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things. You hear thuds and squeaks, cracks and rings. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things. You hear bangs and booms, clangs and zings. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things. Cutting wires with some pliers going snip, snip. Cutting paper with some scissors going clip, clip. When you're working with tools, you've got to be real safe by wearing gloves on your hands and goggles on your face. And boys and girls, when you're working with tools, always follow mom and dad's safety rules. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things. You hear thuds and squeaks, cracks and rings. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things. You hear bangs and booms, clangs and zings. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things.
Whoa! Check it out! We are at the stone carving shop where you can buy carvings. Hey, who are you? What's your name?
Wyatt.
Wyatt? What are you doing right here?
Carving stone.
Carving stone. Whoa, okay, so you take the chisel,
Yep.
and then you use the mallet, and then you hit it
Yep.
like a hammer and a nail. Here we go. Whoa, check that out. All right, now your turn. Oh, you want to color it in?
Yes.
All right.
So it can look like.
Wow, that is so awesome. Can I go explore your shop?
Of course.
All right, let's go. How are you two?
Oh, doing great. Wonderful weather today.
Yep, what's your names?
My name's Ian Williams. I'm the father to Wyatt right here.
I'm Keith.
Ooh, that's really cool. Nice to meet you two. Keith, you want to show me around?
Well, we have various items on the wall here for our customers.
It looks like Wyatt and his crew carved all of these out of stone with that mallet and that pointy metal thing. I don't even know what it's called. Whoa, check it out. What does this look like? This looks like an apple, but it's actually carved out of stone. That's really cool. Well, let's continue to explore the town. Yeah! Whoa! Hey! We're at the fire station right now. Do you know what kind of vehicles are at the fire station? Yeah, they have ambulances, they have fire engines. Hey, check them out. Whoa, these are so cool. Wow. Whoa, there's a real fire engine right here. Whoa, hey, come on. Hey, what are you doing?
We're going on a fire call.
We're going on a fire call. That means someone needs help. Can I go on the fire call?
Why, sure, Blippi.
Okay. All right. So that means we get to go help someone, and we get to go on the fire call. Okay. First things first. Safety first. I first need to buckle up. All right. Now that I'm all buckled up, I'm gonna get ready so we can go on the fire call. I'm gonna put it into gear, and then I'm gonna take it out of the parking brake. So now we can go forward. All right, let's go save those people. All right, I think they need a lot of help. So let's go. You've probably seen a police car before, but right now I'm driving a police truck. All right, let me park this thing right on the grass right here. All right, and so now we can explore the rest of the town. Woohoo! Remember the yellow bike? All right, it's a great way to travel the town, and it helps the environment. Okay, here we go. Wait a second! Why am I not moving? Oh, right over here. All right, here we go.
Blippi.
Whoa! That was the mayor! That's awesome! Here we go! Woo! Wow! That was so much fun going on this bike adventure with you in Tenino, Washington. They definitely have a really cool town here. And it's so great that they have these yellow bikes for people to use for free. That is awesome. Well, this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. All right. See you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today we're at Priest Point Park in Olympia, Washington, and I am going on a hike. I love hiking because you get to be out in the wilderness. Hey, speaking of hiking, I don't have a hiking stick. Maybe I could find one. Do you see one anywhere? Oh, hey, check it out. This is a perfect hiking stick. Amazing! It's so smooth. There's no bark on it. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna get any slivers with this stick. Wow, and look how unique this stick looks. There's a bunch of knots in it. Yeah. Whoa! That's a really cool stick. All right, let's test it out. Awesome! And it's really strong. All right, let's continue hiking. Whoa! Whoa! Look down here! Look at what we found! Wow, do you see this? These are clamshells. Yeah, do you see them? Whoa! These used to be fully closed, just like this. And there used to be a clam inside. But now there's no clam. Where'd the clam go? Wait a second. Do you see this? This is a clue. These are feathers. Yeah. Look, bird feathers. Wait a second. I wonder if a bird was hanging out right here. Yeah, maybe it was having lunch. Okay, well, I'm gonna take one of these 2 feathers and put it in my bag, and I'll show you something really cool later. And 1 clamshell. All right, let me put it in my bag, and then we'll continue on. Haha. Okay, let's go. Oh, gotta stay hydrated. Whoa, look at this plant. This plant is a fern. Wow, it's a beautiful plant. It's so cool looking. Oh, hey, it lost one of its limbs. Yeah, a bunch of leaves are on this. I have an idea. What if we keep this and use it for something really cool later? Let me put it in my bag, just like this. And then I'll show you later. All right, come on, let's go. Whoa, check it out. Whoa, an old tree. Yeah, this tree used to be vertical, and then it fell down. Whoa, and when trees fall down, they decompose, and they allow for a great opportunity for insects, yeah, and animals to have a home. Do you see it? Yeah, insects love to eat these type of trees. Yeah, because then it allows for nutrients to go in the ground. Whoa, hey, speaking of bugs, do you see this? Wow, that is a grasshopper. Hello, grasshopper. Hey, I have something really cool in my backpack. I have what are called bugnoculars. Let's see here. Bugnoculars are great to use to see bugs up close. So what we're gonna do is open them up. Here we go. And then let the grasshopper jump inside. There you go. Jump. Oh, there you go. Just get right in there. Yeah, perfect. Oh, wow. The grasshopper is inside now. So then if I close this up, I can look through the eyepiece. Whoa! And see it really close. Whoa! Check it out. Wow. Wow, what a beautiful little insect. Okay, we should probably let it back. All right, grasshopper, go ahead. Oh, back to your home you go. All right, I'm gonna put these back and continue on. See you later. I am getting so tired on my hike. When I breathe in oxygen. And I breathe out carbon dioxide. In oxygen, out carbon dioxide. But hey, check this out. All these plants and trees and bushes and shrubs, they breathe in carbon dioxide. And they breathe out oxygen. They breathe in carbon dioxide and they breathe out oxygen. Isn't that cool? Yeah, we're the opposite of them. We breathe out carbon dioxide and that's what they breathe in. And then they breathe out oxygen and we breathe in oxygen. Yeah, we are a great team. Hey, check it out. Do you see these? These are pine cones. How many pine cones do you see? 1, 2, 3 pine cones. Pine cones are so cool looking. Wow. Hey, chipmunks love pine cones because there's little seeds in there that they grab and then they eat. Pine cone seeds. Okay, I'm gonna put this in my bag for later. Yeah, for that special something that I was telling you about. All right, let's continue on. Woo! I spy something really cool. Let me tell you what it is. I spy a half of a tree. Do you see it? Yeah, a half of a tree. Yeah! Check it out. This used to be a whole tree. Yeah, but now it's just a half of a tree. Oh, that's cool. Hey, that was actually really fun. Yeah, I gotta see something, so I say, I spy it, and then you get to look and search and find it. Okay, I'll do another one. I spy something red. Do you see it? Oh, yeah! Look! Wow, it's a butterfly! A red butterfly. Whoa, hey red butterfly! How's your day going? Are you having fun just hanging around? Butterflies are so beautiful. Wow, okay, we'll just let it be. All right, bye-bye, butterfly. Okay, we should probably get continuing on. Hey, check it out. I just found a really good tree to climb on. Whoa! Whee! You have to be very careful when you're climbing a tree. Whoa! 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 What's that? I spy something! I spy the beach! Whoa! Whoa! I love the beach! I love the sand. Yeah, and I also love the seagulls. Yeah. Wow, I really enjoy hanging out at the beach all day long. Whoa, wait a second. What is this? This isn't supposed to be here. This is garbage. Boo! Who left this here? I don't even know. I am so mad. This beach is home to so many critters, and it is our duty to keep Earth nice and clean. Yeah, would you want your home dirty? No, I sure wouldn't. Hey, I have an idea. Why don't you and I clean up the beach? That sounds like fun. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Woo! Check it out. I have my garbage sack. Yeah, I'll put all the garbage in here. And then I have my garbage grabbers. Yeah, it's like a claw. All right, let's pick this piece up. All right, I'm using these grabbers because I definitely don't want to touch this. I have no idea where that was before. All right, here we go. Okay, I see a shell. That should be there. Oh, this should not be here. This looks like a soda can. Yeah, a pop can. All right, put it in there. Perfect. We collected 2 pieces of garbage. Wait a second. Here's another one. 1, 2, 3. Our 3rd piece of garbage. There we go. I am so happy that we're cleaning up this beach. Here's another. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4th piece of trash is in here. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here. Yeah, 6. We collected 6 pieces of trash. Good job. But we're not done yet. This beach is so dirty. Here's the last piece. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces of trash. Good job. Whoa! That was so much fun cleaning up the beach with you. All right, I'm gonna put this in the trash can. Bye-bye, garbage. Good job. Well, I should probably get my hiking stick back so then we can continue to hike. Woo! Got it. I am now ready. Whee! That was so much fun today going on a hike with you. We learned so much. We got to learn about plants. We played some search and find. Yeah, I Spy. That was a lot of fun. Hey, we even saw some insects. Yeah! And probably most importantly, we cleaned up the beach. Good job. Hey, remember earlier that we found some things? Yeah, we found this fern. Yeah, I'm gonna show you something really cool with it very soon. And then we found this shell. Yeah. We found this pine cone. And we found this bird feather. Wow. Okay, we'll put that right there. Okay, well, this stick used to be a hiking stick that we used all day. That was great. But we're actually gonna turn it into what's called a journey stick. Yeah, indigenous people from different countries used to make what's called journey sticks. They would collect things on their hikes and their journeys, and then they would put them on their sticks in chronological order, so then they can remember where they've been. So let's do that now. So let's take this big fern, put it right there. I actually have some orange string. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap it around. Okay. Perfect. Doesn't that look good? Whoa, pretty cool, huh? Okay. Wow. This looks so cool. Yeah. It's like a stick with a fern on it. Okay, what else? Oh yeah, we have the shell. That's gonna be tricky to put on there, but I think we can do it. There it is. You see that? Yeah, this is looking awesome. And then we have this pine cone that I'll put right below that shell, just like that. And then I'm gonna loop this around so then it'll hold on to it. Ooh, all right, we are almost done. See, we have the fern, the shell, the pine cone, and last but not least, the feather. Okay, I'm gonna put it right up top. Right there. See that? All right, check it out. How does this look? Whoa! Woo! Well, this is the end of this video. I had so much fun learning with you. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Blippi. Blippi. Good job. All right, see you soon.